Hello, GeorgeF551. If you've seen the last live Galaga video, it was very short because the joystick has been acting up and it got to the point that it was very frequently. So I decided I'm just going to try a stupid simple fix. Some of you may already know about this. I just figure if you're someone who doesn't have soldering skills to replace equipment, or you live in an apartment like I do and they kind of frown on things that could make fires, then yeah. So this is stupid simple fix for the average Joe, or even, the more less knowledgeable. And it's stupid simple. And I'm going to play test it today. So basically, whenever I moved the joystick, at times the ship didn't move. And I know for a fact it was a contact issue because when the joystick rides up, the switches were not making contact. So what I did was I took off the control deck, and as you can see here, I have it where I got the cabinet face up. There are 6 screws to remove, which I've done already. So we can just simply pop this open. Of course, we're not going to cooperate now. And over here's the joystick, and very hard to see. Let's just put a little light on the subject if it wants to work. There we go. And we have a joystick. And some of you can already see what I've done. To get to the matter of things, all you have to do is undo these 2, and I'm blocking the light. It's also on automatic, which is not going to help us. All right, keep it on. And this is probably a 2-hand job, so I'm going to stop the camera and we'll show you what's inside. All right, it comes off stupid easy, but I just need 2 hands. Now, I just did a really stupid basic thing. These switches have a leaf switch, which is straight, and this big white piece of plastic goes up against it. Yeah, pardon my nasty fingers, so I'll go like this. And that click is triggering the switch. Now you notice that I don't have to move it very far to trigger. So basically all I did was simply bend the contacts. It's that simple. And if I pull the joystick, it will still make contact. In fact, when I have this all put together, I will demonstrate that. Now, if you're feeling a little more gutsy, you can probably push down on these to bend them the other way, but I probably wouldn't recommend that. So when I bend these, I move, let's say I want to bend this one, I move this out of the way, and I take a finger, hold it halfway, take the other one, conform it to this, and that's how I mean, you should know how to bend things. If not, I just show you how easy it was to do. So I can't really demonstrate this the way things are, so I'm going to shut off the camera again, everything's connected, but put everything back together. Machine will be running, and we'll give it a test. All right, we got the thing fired up. Now, the problem I had is when I move this joystick, normally you can hear the click. That click lets you know it's making contact, but when it rides up, it doesn't. Now listen. We should have no problems with this game anymore. Now, if you know how to do, the legitimate joystick swap, or you have the ability to solder, and, well, I do, but again, I live in an apartment, and things that can cause fires are frowned upon. So, let's give it a shot. We're just going to move the ship around, because that's the problem. Alright, you see the ship is moving. Now I'm going to lift on the stick, and the ship is still moving. I am now lowering, I'm moving like so. Going to lift it up again. Funny thing is that it made the Pac-Man waka waka. There it is at normal height. And again, we're going to lift it. Now, of course, when we lift it, that little plastic thing... Oh, I'm saying, why is it not moving? It's because it's over there, and I'm looking at that thing. I'm that smart. But as you can see, I lift it. Now, because I'm lifting it, it has to travel more in order to react. But we fixed the Galaga. It runs perfectly fine now. Georgia551 saying, hope you enjoyed. Have a good one. Game over for that problem.